In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, once we submit your official paperwork, the bankruptcy is completed in about 4 months. The process involves a 341 creditors hearing, which takes place 30 to 45 days after your file has been submitted, followed by a 3-month period in which the Chapter 7 bankruptcy trustee administers the bankruptcy. During this time, the bankruptcy attorney is also completing his duties in the bankruptcy case. After all efforts have been completed, the bankruptcy judge will sign an order of discharge. The order of discharge signifies that all dischargeable debts have been eliminated or discharged. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy takes longer to complete because it proposes a payment plan of 36 to 60 months. The bankruptcy period begins when the debtor makes his first payment to the bankruptcy court, which is usually 30 days after the bankruptcy filing. At the termination of the 36 to 60-month period, provided the debtor has made all of his payments to the Chapter 13 bankruptcy trustee, the bankruptcy judge will sign the order of discharge. The debtor then has completed the Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan.